Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a funny pizza slice. So first we're going to get started with the mouth in the center. We're going to draw in a straight line directly across. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to arch this around and then up on the right. For the tongue, we're going to curve this over on the right. And now for the cheeks, we're just going to arch this line across on the right. We'll line it up at the same height, and we're going to do the same over on the left. Above this for the eyes now, let's create a circle. So we're going to start on the bottom, bringing this around, and then down on the right. And then we'll do the same from the inside, bringing this all the way around and down on the left. Now on the top left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. Let's move up now and draw in the top of the pizza crust. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, drawing in a nice big arch line, bringing that over and down on the right. On both sides, we're going to curve this around and up towards the top. And now from here, let's connect this together again. So we're going to bring this all the way over, and if it's easier, we can stop in the center. And then we can continue on this line, bringing this all the way around and then down on the right corner. Now let's draw in a small diagonal line on the left coming down. We'll do the same on the right from that corner. Let's draw in some of the cheese dripping now. So on the corner here, curving this around, back up, moving down, curving this around, up, and then over. Now on the right-hand side, we're gonna bring this line out, up, down, back up, and then starting back on this line, curving this down, up, over, and in towards the mouth. Further down on the right hand side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line and then drawing in another cheese drip, curving this out, over, and up. On the left hand side, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line, bringing that through. And then we're going to draw in another wavy pattern for the cheese drip. So we're going to bring this further up this time, curving this out, up, down, and in. And then again, starting back on this line, just bringing this line up, down, over, and across. And now let's connect the pizza together on the bottom. So we're going to bring this line down towards the middle. We're going to curve this slightly on the bottom and then bring that back up on the right. Now let's draw in the pepperoni slices. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line, bringing this over and across. We'll do the same as we come down on the left-hand side. Let's move over on the right now, arching this line around and then through. And then we'll do the same on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw a funny pizza slice. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.